Hi to everyone. Welcome to குழந்தைகள் உலகம். Today our topic is output devices. First one, monitor. Monitor is the most commonly used output device to display the information. It's look like a TV. Pictures on a monitor are formed with picture elements called pixels. Monitors may either be monochrome, which display text or image in black and white, or can be color, which display results in multiple colors. Different types of monitors are available: CRT monitor, LCD and LED. What is the full form of CRT? Cathode ray tube. LCD, liquid crystal display, and LED, light emitting diodes. Monitor works with VGA card. What is VGA? Video graphics array. The video graphics card helps the keyboard to communicate with the screen. It acts as an interface between the computer and the display monitor. Usually the recent motherboards incorporate built-in the video card. The first computer monitor was part of the Xerox Alto computer system, which was released on March 1st, 1973. Plotter. It is the one of the output device. It is used to produce graphical output on papers. It uses single color or multicolor pens to draw pictures. Printers. Printers are used to print the information on papers. Printers are divided into two main categories: impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers. These printers print with the striking of hammers or pins on ribbon. These printers can print on multi-parts by using mechanical pressure. For example, dot matrix printers and line matrix printer or impact printers. These are types of impact printers. A dot matrix printer that prints using a fixed number of pins or wires. Each dot is produced by a tiny metal rod or called a wire or pin, which works by the power of tiny electromagnet or solenoid, either directly or through a set of small levers. It generally prints one line of text at a time. This printing speed of this printer varies from 30 to 1550 CPS. CPS means character per second. Line matrix printers used a fixed print head for a printing. Basically, it prints a page wide line of dots, but it built up a line of text by printing line of dots. Line printers are capable of printing much more than 1000 lines per minute, resulting in thousands of pages per hour. These printers also used mechanical pressure to print on multi-parts using carbon papers. Non-impact printers. These printers do not use striking mechanism for printing. They use electrostatic or laser technology. Quality and speed of these printers are better than impact printers. For example, laser printer and inkjet printer are non-impact printers. Laser printers. Laser printers mostly work with similar technology used by the photocopiers. It makes a laser beam scan back and forth across a drum inside the printer, building up a pattern. It can produce very good quality and of graphic image. One of the chief characteristics of laser printer is their resolution. How many dots per inch? The available resolutions range around 1200 dots per inch. Approximately, it can print 100 page per minute. Inkjet printers use color cartridges which combined magenta, yellow and cyan ink to create color tones. A black cartridge is also used for monochrome outputs. Inkjet printers work by spraying ink at a sheet on paper. The speed of inkjet printers generally range between 1 to 20 page per minute. They use the technology of firing ink by heating it so that it explodes towards the paper in bubbles, or by using piezoelectricity in which tiny electric current controlled by electronic circuits are used inside the printer to separate ink in the jet speed. An inkjet printer can spread millions of dots of ink at a paper every single second. Speakers produce a voice output, that means audio. Using speaker along with speech synthesis software, the computer can provide voice output. This has become very common in the place like airlines, schools, banks, railway stations, etc. Multimedia projectors are used to produce computer output on a big screen. These are used to display presenting in the meeting hall or in the classrooms. Before the topics link I gave in description, go and watch. Like and share my videos. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.